Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check missions on the Magic Tools 3 application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. Click to the missions button next to the home option at the bottom of the screen, and here you can check your missions. And if you want to start one, just click to the start button. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.